Okay, good evening everyone. So this topic is all about simplifying rational expressions. So what do you mean by simplify? So we have to reduce the given or the rational expressions to lowest terms. So to simplify a rational expression to lowest terms, factor the numerator and denominator completely. Divide out or cancel any common factor. Okay, for example, kaning A. So, what's the common of the numerical coefficient? Kaning numbers. Sa numerator is 8. Sa denominator is 10. So, unsa may common nila? 2, di ba? So, dara ito. Or, pwede na sa dog. So, yan din yung factor. So, the factors of 8 is 4 times 2. Then x times x times x times y times y and times y. Over the factors of 10 is 5 and 5 times 2 times x times y and times y. So, ato lang ang gibuwag. Okay. Then, sa kasunod, divide out or cancel any common factor. So, kung pareha gani ka pareha si numerator sa denominator, you can cancel it. So, for example, this one. Walay 4 nga kapareha, di ba? So, 5 raman din. So, skip. Proceed to 2. So, naay si 2. So, cancel. Then, x, y, and y. So, ang nabilin is 4 times x and y. So, 4xy over, pila may nabilin sa denominator? 5. Okay, so, 5 equals, pwede na siya, kaning unang nga forma, okay rin siya. Acceptable ni. And then, kanipong kaduha, pareha na sila. So, basing maglibog mo ha, basta pareha na sila. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. 3x minus 15. So, what's the common of 3 and 15? Sa may common na nila aning kaning nasa numerator? 3, di ba? So, igawa si 3. So, 3x divided by 3 is x. Kani. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then, copy the sign, negative. Then, let's proceed to the denominator. The common sa denominator is 4. So, igawa si 4. And then 4x divided by 4 is x. 20, or negative 20 divided by 4 is negative 5. Okay. Next is we have to divide or cancel any common factor. So, ang common ani is si x minus 5 man. So, cancel ni. And then nabilin si 3 over 4. So, that's your final answer. Letter C. So, kaning na equation, gani. So, sa ganito, we have to use FOIL method. Huna-hunaan, imagine na lang si FOIL. No need to mag-solve pa ka. Okay, so, ang sekreto ni is, we have to find factors of positive 12 nga kung imuha siyang i-subtract or i-plus, come up of negative 7x. So what are the factors of 12? So the factors of 12 are 12 and 1, di ba? So, negative man ninyo, positive man si katong si C. So, C is kani si, constant is kani si 12. So, kuan? 12, negative 12 and negative 1. So, answer is negative 13. No. So, dili ma-okay. Negative 7 at ang pangita. So, another factors of positive 12 is negative 4 and 3, right? So, 4 times 3 is 12. So, negative 4 and negative 3. So, they have the same sign. So, we have to add 4 and 3. So, unsa man, 4 plus 3 is 7. Then, kapidad, the sign negative. So, mo ang negative 7x. So, dara si negative 4, dara si negative 3. Kani si x, obviously, naano gyud siya kuno kay x squared na baya ni siya. Okay, bring that sa ubos sa pata sa denominator. What are the factors of x squared minus 9? So, bungkag na atong buhagon si x, and then negative 9 man ni. So, factors of 9 is 3 and 3, di ba? 3 times 3. So, it's either positive mag-una, positive 3, or negative 3. Basta kay, ni nila, basta naan na silang 2%. The next is, you have to cancel the common factor. So, sa may common nila, kani si x minus 3. So, ang nabilin, x minus 4, x plus 3. Then, that's the answer. So, yun na, di ba? No need to use photomath. Okay. Photomath, raka-open ng mga calculus na. And, para pa maabtik din yung mga mata. So, alam mo, kakabana mo ani ha? Mo na to. Kung naapag yung pangutana, naglisod, chat lang. That will be all.